Hello and welcome to Web Answers. So in this video tutorial you will be able to learn how you can create a contact form using the WP Forms. So for that we need to go ahead to our plugin section, click on add new and search for the plugin WP Forms. Now just install this first plugin and click on the activate. So now just scroll down a bit and click on create your first form. Now choose this simple form and now you can drag and drop choices of yours. If you want to add something, like if you want to add a drop down, you can just drag this over here and now you can modify it from here. So after doing that, just click on the button save. Now you can also go to the settings and now general, and now you can go to the notifications and you can also make the changes over here, like which email address do you want to send your contact form info, and the subject line, and from the name, email, etc. So after modifying these changes you can just click on the save button. Now just click on embed. So now here there are two things. One is the select existing page. It means do you have any existing page where do you want to put this form on, or you want to create a new one. Just click on create new page and name your page. I'll name it contact and click on let's go. Now you'll see that our form is present here. You can publish this page. Now you can preview this our view page. Now you will see that our contact form is present here. So in this way you can add your contact form to any page using the WP Forms. So it will also make the users contact you easily. So if you are using the Elementor builder, then you need to follow the same steps. Like I have the WP Forms installed in our website. Just click on that. And now you'll see that there is no form present here. I will create a new form. Choose this form. You can choose any of these. Just save it and now cross this. Now click on the pages, click on the add new, click on contact. This is the page title, and now click on edit with Elementor. And here, now you can drag the widget from here. Just search for the WP Forms and drag it over here. Now select a form, simple contact form, and now you will see that our form is present here. So in this way you can add a contact form using the WP Forms and the Elementor or Elementor Pro. Now just publish it. So if you found anything good in the video, then please make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel so you will get the latest updates. Thank you so much.